Hello there. I'm Susan Alexander. And I'm the course manager at the Institute for Business Continuity Training. Plan now to attend our upcoming BCMS workshop in Las Vegas. For 3 great days in Sin City, you'll receive in-depth exposure to the complete BCMS lifecycle and learn how to take a BC project right from the initiation through to the final audit. ECP 601, Effective Business Continuity Management, is newly revised in accordance with ISO 22301. This 3-day course provides an exceptionally comprehensive, hands-on workshop, covering all major aspects for the design and management of an effective business continuity program. The early bird course includes 3 or 4 nights hotel, breakfast and lunch daily, plus the Business Continuity Management Professional Exam Prep and the BCMP exam. Course takeaways include detailed course handbook, 32 gig BCM flash drive with over 6,000 templates, etc., including all course files, diploma in business continuity and resiliency management, business continuity management professional designation, plus the knowledge and tools needed to develop or enhance a business continuity management system. This course is designed for individuals new to business continuity management, consultants, auditors wishing to learn about BCM, executives, managers, business continuity planners, engineers, IT staff, and business unit managers who are involved in developing or managing business continuity planning functions. It is also highly useful for records managers, administrative heads, and others responsible for the effective administration of any size of organization. The course provides an intensive, hands-on workshop covering all major aspects of the business continuity management lifecycle for corporations, nonprofits, and government organizations. We teach what you need to know and how to do it. Drawing from the recently revised International Business Continuity Standard ISO 22301, we believe this is the very best business continuity training offered anywhere in the world. Learn how to manage a comprehensive BCMS program, from start to finish. In addition to best principles, what you need to know, you also learn best practices. What you need to do for effective business continuity management. The course covers pandemic planning, preparing your firm for the next coronavirus, cybersecurity planning, tools and techniques for conducting risk assessments and business impact analysis, practical methodologies to design and manage effective continuity plans, case studies to examine real-life situations and their solutions, guided study and group exercises to apply the lessons learned, methodologies for creating a plan to support your business in the face of any critical incident. This course is fully accredited by the National Institute for Business Continuity Management. Completion of this course qualifies you to write the certification exam to obtain the professional designation of Business Continuity Management Professional. We have enjoyed 100% success preparing students for the BCMP exam. In the unlikely event that you do not succeed in your first exam attempt, IBCT will pay all fees for any subsequent attempts. This is our success guarantee. A typical course participant has less than 2 years of experience in business continuity planning. They have been voluntold into this new role and need to know how to successfully carry out these new duties. This course is suitable for, and has been used effectively by, every type of organization in the private and nonprofit sector and government, from multinational firms to single proprietorships, and every size in between. The techniques and tools we provide are applicable to banking, insurance, manufacturing, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, telecommunications, federal, state, and local government organizations, in addition to international corporations and nonprofit agencies. In addition, participants leave this course with our diploma in business continuity and resiliency management, and can sit the professional certification exam for the Business Continuity Management Professional designation, issued by the National Institute for Business Continuity Management. So, go to ibct.com and register today to take advantage of the early bird special.